Guys, this is another free tool. This is called Break-Even Calculator. And here, in this tool, you will be filling these inputs and you will get output. Let me change it with some example values. And here in this tool, fixed cost has been populated with this value. If I change these values, will change on the right side in the real time, and you will get the break-even analysis in the chart. So that you know that when units would process around 1,001 units at 25,000, you will be having break-even. So you'll have to try to adjust these left side input fields so that you reach almost above the break-even point. You can also put your target profit so that it calculates the value here. Let's say put it to 5,000. So for that, you have to hit 1,501 units to get the target point. That's all. By the way, I am making this Shopify app which creates your beautiful pins based on your Shopify product images, templates, and brand. It creates the time schedule with proper randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. Check it out.